Can you kind of explain some of the, I guess, concerns or questions you addressed regarding the savings for the reorganization of the city attorney's office?
Sure. I know last year when we did go through that process, they did advise us what the savings should be. And at that point, we were told that it would be just shy of $50,000, $49,786 or so. So when I was looking over the budget, I noticed that we were only realizing a $4,000 to maybe $6,000 savings. So that was a little concerning. So as I started to look at the figures, I noticed that according to the plus and minuses that do go on for unaccounted for expenses, we should have still been at about $30,000 in my opinion. So when I didn't see that, I brought it to their attention in hopes that they could explain where that could have gone, or if maybe that was just an accounting error.
And your reaction to the explanation?
Well, I still feel that there's an error because when I took into account everything that they mentioned, it still doesn't add up. Because I feel very, very confident that my calculation is correct and that we should still be seeing at least another $25,000 or more in savings that currently is not being accounted for. And obviously when you put together a budget and that's what you have to go off of, it can always be a little concerning when some of the numbers aren't adding up.
The memo that went to City Council in October in regard to Barry Lindell going from full-time to part-time, there were a few things that were not taken into account in that memo that you referenced the savings on. On page 36, you can see a line for sick leave payout of $14,957. That would be part of it. That would deduct from that savings. There's also 1% longevity increase for an employee in the city attorney's office. That's not taken into account there. And also a step increase for an employee that's not included in the breakdown. So those items are what is reducing the savings.